Hello, this is Mike at Retro and Vintage Watches and Restorations, and this video is about folded bracelets and how to remove the links from them. Certainly on vintage Seikos. They can be a little bit stubborn on the vintage ones because they've been in there a long time, but it's very quick and very easy, or can be, should I say, unless they are playing up. The model I've got here for you is Seiko DX. The DX are usually 6106, which means that it has hacking. So if we pull the crown, the second hand stops. Nice little extra feature there. It's got a lovely blue dial on these, and this indoor light doesn't really do it any justice. So, tool I'm going to use, I have a version spring bar tool. One end is the fork, the other end I have a really fine point. You can buy these as extras because they just screw on. So we need to undo the clasp first of all to get access to the springs. Okay, what we're looking at, we have some, and if you can see that, I'll get the spring bar tool to show you. Here there's an arrow pointing this way, and likewise if they haven't got arrows like these, they can't be removed unless you forcibly open the folded steel parts. Incidentally, if they look a bit loose over the years, like this one, it's got a little bit of a space. All I tend to do is get a pair of pliers, put some masking tape over the ends of them, and go from this side, pinch them together like that, and just squeeze them. I don't want them overlapping unless you want to really tighten it, but you know, there's a good millimetre or so there, and if you did that throughout the whole of the bracelet, you'd find there's a big difference. I mean, for instance, while I'm talking to you, I can see this one. It's got a really big gap in it. So I will actually do that at some point. Anyway, I'm digressing. Arrows. What you're looking for inside, again, you might just be able to see it, is that little bit there. Okay. And there's just enough room to get your spring bar tool behind it. See if we can see it better on there. Yes, just in the light. So you've got the hole and that little tab. So we lie it down. I'm left-handed, of course, so I'm doing it all backwards for you guys. I just put this tool in, push. See it's come out there? You'll then need to push the other one, push. Sometimes they come out nice and easy like that. Sometimes you might need to get a pair of long-nosed pliers just to pull them out. And as you can see, straight away, it's released the link, like so. Take the link away, reverse the process. What I would do as well, if they come out and they're really dirty, is to give that a bit of a clean. Then just to put them on, you can just see on the end there's a hole. So you put it in, you kind of line it all up, push it in, and that's it. One link removed. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to join the Facebook group Retro and Vintage Watches and Restorations. Thank you very much for watching.